Hello student and welcome to your online classes. I am your teacher Miss Catherine Wheeler. So today we will see your second chapter from your course book. The chapter name is The First Man on the Moon. This is a story about the astronaut Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first men to walk on the moon. They spent a total of 24 hours on the moon. This is the account of their historical experience. Apollo's second blasted off on July 1669. They landed on the moon in the lunar module. It was called the Eagle. The code name is this. They put a US flag on the moon, and this story we see how they are facing the problem when they are landing. So you can see here the first paragraph. The criticize the lunar explorer phase came just short of moon. The Apollo second lunar module, code name is Eagle. Already I spoke this. Was still 9.5 km till guidance computer began flashing and alarm is overloading. And second, they could up the host under the mountain pressure, and nothing the two astronauts could do would save the mission. While Michael Collins stay orbit around the moon, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin left in the lunar module to make the first man landing on its surface. Emergency were nothing new on Commander Neil Armstrong, but he and his co-pilot Buzz Aldrin had not even practiced for this one. The ground, no one believed it could be happen. Sweeping feet first toward their target, they pressed ahead and the controller on the earth waited hard in the mouth. Racing against the computer, Eagle slowed and the pitched upright the stand on its rock plumb and gave a strong his first view of the landing site. The wrong one. They had overshot by 4 miles into unfamiliar territory and were heading straight for a football field sized crater filled with the bladder size of Volkswagens. With few running out and only minutes flying time left, I'm a strong calling and that call created by the hovering eagle belong the crater touching 88 km per hour. Controllers were puzzled and alarmed by unplanned maneuvers. Mission director George Hell pleaded silently, get it down. Neil, get it down. The second ticket away, forward, finding the right, Aldron said, and then the less than 20 seconds left came the magic word contact. Armstrong spoken first about the tranquilly base here. The eagle has landed. His words were heard by 600 million people, a fifth of humanity. About 6.5 hours later, Eagle's front door was open and Armstrong back out on the small porch. He won 42 approximately 37 lakh 73,880 moonsuit, a sort of the Thromb's flags capable of stopping micrometeorites traveling 30 times faster than a rifle bullet. He carried backpack which weighed 49 kg and had enough oxygen for 4 hours. Only 4 hours left the oxygen, and the facing the problem his eagle that one is rocket that is more lunar vehicles not properly landing and the fuel also leaking and facing the because the moon surface is like very not plain, it's very up and down like that one pitch, so they are very difficult to handle and landing the lunar vehicles. Okay, so if they are facing this problem, so they are not connecting to other also to asking the help. So finally then has put down his flag and they put US flag on the moon, and they also left a sign of the moon. The two astronauts returned orbit joining Collins on 24 1969. All three astronauts came back Earth safely. So this is the story, and he said that one step when Dory demonstrated unbelievable the TV camera so world would witness his first step when he said that one small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. It was 3:56 a.m. 21st July 1969. So this is the story about the first man of the moon. I hope you understand. And some short answers are there, word hunt also. But till then you read this story once again at home, and and please write this words meaning which is given in the chapter, and try to solve the short one answer in bracket 1. And next video I will help you and I will tell you how to do this question answer. I will give you also, but till then you just write the words meaning and read this chapter carefully and solve in rough copy these answers. Grammar work also there, to try to solve the grammar portion also by yourself. Otherwise, if any doubt, any questions, you can ask to me. I will help you and I will tell you. So till then, take care and have a nice day.